Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the finals missing angle script call stack problem. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution is to clear the finals and Steam's cache files. Accumulated cache files can cause problems. So we are going to clear these cache files guys. To do this you just need to go to search menu and type percentage local app data percentage again comes up a file folder, click on open it. In here you just need to search for discovery folder. You just need to double click on it, and now you just need to right click on the saved folder and delete it. Doing this will not cause any damage to our game files guys. After doing this you just need to go back to local, and now you just need to delete the Steam folder over here. You just need to right click on the Steam folder and delete it. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is short and easy. What we have to do is add a launch option to the finals. To do this, you just need to right click on the finals and select properties. And in launch option, you just need to type hyphen dx11. After typing it, click on outside and close it off here. After doing this, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the last solution guys. The third solution is to downgrade our graphics card. The problem is caused by the new graphics card update. In this case, we need to install the previous graphics card update. Many people on the Steam forum have solved the problem this way. To delete the current graphics card update, you just need to go to control panel, click on open it, select uninstall a program. We need to find Nvidia graphics drive among our programs and delete it. Just need to right click on it and select uninstall and select as. I can't show the uninstall part because I took a screen recording, but what you need to do is complete the uninstall process. After deleting our up-to-date graphics card, now we need to restart our computer. If we don't do this, Nvidia will gives you an error when downloading our graphics card. Now we just need to restart our computer guys. After restarting your PC, you just need to check my video description for this download link. You just need to click on this go to site and it will be automatically downloads app. Wait for it until this download finish. This is the old version of graphics driver. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. Select OK. We are done with the installation guys. Now we need to restart our computer once more. After that you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.